Okay, it's January 2024. We got some heavy snowfall. I've been digging out last couple of days, so now I'm just doing my rounds and checking on the birds' water, letting know what's going on with me. A little winter update, you might as well say. And birds are doing fine. Crazy, I had some babies in here still, and some of them are still alive. But I try not to let them have any more eggs, but they're still doing. Sometimes they'll try to hatch them without me knowing about it. So, and you can see what I've been doing here. I need some water. Yeah. Okay. And the water. Been using these plastic rubber. I'm not plastic, but these rubber bowls from Tractor Supply. What happens is these little things here, I don't use them no more because they're too brittle when they're cold and they crack when you try to take the ice off it. Anyways, get some water in my bucket. I get like 4 gallons or 4 buckets, 5 gallons each, and fill them up every day. Come out here, water them twice a day. Get dope in the morning, and as you can see, we're all going to need some more water before I turn in tonight. And got a lot of snow. Man, did we get a lot of snow. I think this got to be the worst of snow I've seen for a while. Anyways, birds are doing okay. It's just that can't clean the shit off her. Perches is frozen right now. But yeah, I got some babies in here. It's crazy. They survived. We had some sub-zero temperatures. But you managed to make it. If they can make it, they can make it. That's the way I look at it. And we give them a lot more corn, as you can tell. They like corn when it's cold. These are my unbanded. Some of them are unbanded pigeons in here I gotta sort and get rid of. And it's my young booted roller that I made a short video of. He's looking good. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah. So, yeah. Just a quick update on the birds. The rollers. Yeah, as soon as I get a good thaw out, I gotta do some serious cleaning up in here. Oh man, it's a mess. But sometimes I question myself. Is this gonna be the last year dealing with all these birds, or should I cut back? Yeah. I'll tell you what, it's a challenge. Yeah, it's a challenge. But I really love it in the summertime, in the springtime. it's my passion. So, just thought I'd give you a quick update, my winter update on how everything's looking after the storm we had last week. Been a good time to be on the road, I know that. Yeah, it took me a while to make some path and get this stuff out of here, because you know what, if you don't have these yard tools to do this, oh man, just thinking about doing it by hand, you really got your work cut out for you. You can see I put some of this vinyl clear vinyl It's almost like plastic, but it's not plastic. It's more like a vinyl. That plastic stuff I had on here before, it doesn't last long. It cracks. So yeah, these guys are longing for spring. I know that. Me too. Okay, just thought I'd give you a little quick update on my birds this winter. Everything's looking good still. Can't wait till spring. How's it looking?